Okay, so good evening, everyone. Uh, Today's topic, as you can see, that we are going to talk about the diabetics, and diabetes is one of the major problem in all the population as of now. And if you can see that whatever the population you talk, either it is the young population, or if it is a student, or a adolescent, or maybe the all the big people, all the young uh, adults, or the elder people. So everybody does have some or the other issues. These are called lifestyle diseases. So लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये प्रॉब्लम हमको आएगी और it is going to happen like that. It's not that. But then whatever happens in our life, it depends on our lifestyle, what we live. If the lifestyle what we live is not right, if the lifestyle what we have is not a good lifestyle, then definitely we are going to have some of the other lifestyle diseases. Okay, so today's topic is diabetes is not the dead end. The reason why it is not the dead end is because many people, many a times, what happens that we think, यार diabetes हो गया तो बस हमारी जिंदगी खत्म हो गई. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So diabetes can be managed, and it is definitely can be managed, and can be a lot of things can be done. Before going into the topic, let me give you a small introduction about myself. I am Rahil Ahmed, and I have my own YouTube channel called Review Life with Rahil. If you're new, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel called Review Life with Rahil. I'll I'll assure you that you will get a lot of good insights about a lot of different topics. I talk about health and mindset and all success and everything. So I give a lot of insights on many topics. So recently, last week, I have made a video on diabetes. So you will get even more further information on my YouTube channel as well. So about me, what I do in my part time, I do acting and theatrics and all. I'm a passionate YouTuber. I have my blog writing, content writing. All these things are my time pass things. I do marathon running as well, and I love to catch sunrise and sunset. I travel a lot. I love to travel. So that's about me. So without wasting time, let's go inside the topic. So today's topic, we are going to understand what is diabetes. Okay. Now, many times हम लोग को ये लगता है कि डायबिटीज एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो आने के बाद में वापस नहीं जाएगी. So that's not the fact. The true fact is that diabetes can be managed, and how it can be managed is it can be managed with our the lifestyle management, whatever we can do. So the entire thing is possible. Entire thing is in our hand. So diabetes is like हम लोग खाना खाते हैं. हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं, whatever we eat, it goes down to our stomach, and when it goes to our stomach, it breaks down into pieces. So when we eat, when we chew, we eat, and it goes from our the food pipe to our stomach. That food which goes down into the stomach, it gets into small pieces. What happens is a pancreas is one of the organ which helps in making the insulin. Now, insulin is a very important hormone which is there in our body. So that insulin production is one of the essential requirement for our body. Now, if insulin is not getting produced properly, what can happen is, insulin is very much essential to break down, to open the channels for that glucose. Whatever we eat, हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं, खाने का जो breakdown होने के बाद में जो cells, जो भी उसका जो part है, that get transferred into glucose. That glucose has to go to our body stream as an energy source. तो अभी अगर हमारा एनर्जी सोर्स बॉडी में नहीं जा रहा है तो उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज हमारे बॉडी में इंसुलिन का प्रोडक्शन सही से नहीं हो रहा है. So that's why insulin is not going into the bloodstream. Now, blood sugar and blood glucose is one thing which you will hear in diabetes very interchangeably. Blood sugar is nothing but the sugar level which is there in our blood, and blood glucose is nothing but this blood sugar only. So these are the terminologies which are used in diabetes. Now, how does the body functions without diabetes? Now you can see here in this picture. In this picture, you see there is something called key and a door is there. Okay. Now every cell has a door and a lock mechanism. Now ये क्या होता है? चाबी हम चाबी किसको बोलते हैं? हम लोग इंसुलिन को चाबी बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारा जो नॉर्मल सेल होता है ना, उस सेल को हर एक बार एक सेल का जब ग्लूकोज का एंट्री होता है उसमें, तो वो ग्लूकोज को एंट्री होने से पहले इंसुलिन का एक की जो है वो की सेल पे लगता है. अगर वो की पे सेल पे नहीं लगा तो ग्लूकोज अंदर सेल पे नहीं जा रहा है. तो अगर की हमारी जो इंसुलिन है वो सेल पे जाके लग रही है और जहां पे दरवाजा खुल रहा है, तो हमारा जो ग्लूकोज है, जो ग्लूकोज की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है हमारे सेल को, जो एनर्जी सोर्स है, ठीक है, ग्लूकोज इज नथिंग बट एनर्जी सोर्स. So that is going inside the body. Okay. Now this is the normal function which is happening. Now suppose type 1 and type 2 disease, diabetes which is there. Now you know that there are two types of diabetes. One is type 1 and one is type 2. What is type 1? Type 1 is nothing but diabetes which is from the genetical disorder. Okay. Now genetical disorder can be a lot of things. It can be a birth defect as well, or it can be a kidney failure patients. A lot of patients which are immunocompromised, जिसको हम लोग immunocompromised patient बोलते हैं, वो भी type 1 के शिकार हो सकते हैं. Lot of times insulin is not getting developed in the body. जब इंसुलिन बनता ही नहीं है, जो की जो है, जो every door requires a key. If this, you can see here, if the door is not having an insulin, which is a key to open the cell, what happens? Glucose is not able to enter into the cell. So what can happen if this glucose doesn't enter into the cell? The cell can deprive out of energy, and person can get into a shock. So for that, for diabetes type 1 type of disease, there are a lot of other things available. We give insulin injections and other things. So those are the things how they manage their diabetes. Okay, so type 1 can be managed by insulin. But then now here comes a bigger question: what about type 2? Is it really necessary that type 2 diabetes ho gaya hai? So by the way, let me tell you, I have type 2 diabetes. So does it really mean that if I have type 2 diabetes, do I really need insulin and the other treatments which are people are requiring it? To some extent, I would say it is definitely sometimes required, maybe not required. If it is very critical kind of a stage, then definitely person may need the insulin from external source. But then a lot of times what happens, our daily routine, what we do in daily routine, that is sufficient for us to maintain and manage type 2 diabetes. So how it can be done is, in type 2 diabetes, what happens is the key is there is insulin available, but then insulin is not potent, or you can say insulin is not able to open that door. वो खोल नहीं पा रहा है door को, because that key is in a different shape. It doesn't fit the key to that lock. The cell को insulin सही type से नहीं जाके मिल पा रहा है. So that is the reason type 2 diabetes में majorly lifestyle की वजह से type 2 diabetes हो जाता है. Now, as I told you, insulin producing cells are destroyed. It can be because of various things that there is insulin replacement can happen. Usually in young childhood or young adulthood, it can happen. Most commonly type of diabetes in children and adolescents, because it happens because of genetic disorder. So that can happen. So onset of diabetes can happen very relatively quickly. It is very quick, and in type 1, we come to know only when the child is born or something like that. So when they come to know that there is no making of insulin in the body, that's when we come to know that the person, the kid or the young child is diabetic. So symptoms again: frequent urination, tiredness, weight loss, increased thirst, hunger, dry skin, blurred vision. Sometimes some of the kids do get blind as well because of severe diabetes. So cause is again genetical and environmental. About type 2 diabetes, so as I told you, it is the first step in the development of type 2 diabetes is a problem with our own body response. हमारा जो शरीर इंसुलिन का प्रोडक्शन सही से नहीं कर पा रहा है, या फिर इंसुलिन का रेसिस्टेंस हो चुका है उसकी वजह से, तो हमारा जो बॉडी में इंसुलिन की वजह से जो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है उसको हम टाइप 2 डायबिटीज बोलते हैं. ओके, so this means that body is in need of a insulin, but we are not getting insulin in a right time or a right amount. Okay, so pancreas is not able to develop insulin. Request people not to unmute yourself in between the meeting so that other people are not getting disturbed. Thank you so much. So okay, so type 2 diabetes is nothing but it's found mainly in adults and people who are overweight. We say that people who are overweight or aged above 40 may they have a higher chances of getting diabetes, type 2 diabetes. But to some extent, in some of the papers, I would like to tell you that type 2 diabetes can happen in normal people as well. It can happen in underweight people as well. Okay, so almost around 20% of the cases which we can see in 100% of population, 20% is in normal and underweight people. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it will come in overweight people only. It very importantly, it is depending on how the lifestyle is maintained. What is the type of lifestyle we have? So that's what it actually talks about. Okay, so this is about the type 2 diabetes. So basically, management goal of diabetes is what? Diabetes is managed, but it doesn't go away. Okay, many times what happens is diabetes is like it comes once, but it is it becomes our daily routine life. But then to some extent it is not true. It can be reversed. Yes, you heard it right, it can be reversed. I'll tell you how it can be reversed in the coming slides. So goal is to maintain the target glucose range. Okay, so the management for the diabetic people it is that their glucose range has to be managed properly. So that's the major thing. Now in daily management, what is the thing for type 1 diabetic people? Majorly they need insulin and medications. Definitely they need that. Sometimes they do require the physical activity, food intake, and other factors are definitely required to take care of the management of the diabetic people. Now, before going into the little deeper, I would like to ask you a few things. Like majorly in our life, we have few of our needs. So this is like Maslow's hierarchical needs which we have. Here you can see that the need starts, the basic needs which we starts is, the basic needs are physiological needs, which is like food, water, warmth, and rest. Okay, so this is the basic need which we have. And if you go to a little further basic need, we have a safety needs. That's a security and safety. Okay, first and the foremost thing before going into our need, the pyramid. Now, many a times what is happening with us is our proper physiological need, which we need in our daily life, that itself is not proper. Okay. Now, many a times we think of going into the higher level of the pyramid, of becoming esteem and having the belongingness and love needs and all that. But do we see our pyramid of the basic pyramid which we need in our physiological need, the food and water which we take, and the rest what we take for our body? are we going to give, are we really giving that to our body? This is a one bigger question which I would like to ask you. You need not answer me, but then answer to yourself. Are you doing that? Is our food proper? Is our water intake is proper? Is we do we give our body proper rest? The sleep pattern which we have, do we give that properly? So do we do that? That's the major thing which we have to see. So this one question, ask yourself before going into a much deeper requirements of our daily routine and daily life. Okay, so this will help you answer your own questions and in your own way, how and what is that thing which is required for you and your body. Okay. Now another thing which I would like to ask you is, many a times, this is one study which was done for the kids. Uh, when you ask them what is happening in your body, that when they get hypoglycemic, and they are many a times they are unaware. Okay, they don't know what is happening in their body. So their body cannot tell exactly whether sugar is high or sugar is low or whatsoever it is. Kids say that I feel funny. That's the answer which in the papers, in many of the journals, when they did a trial with these kids, they don't understand what exactly diabetes is. So you can't exactly tell them, or ask them what exactly is happening inside your body. The child might simply be distracted, and they might not feel they are acting right. So that these are some of the symptoms which can happen with the kids. Now, many a times, you would not understand this. There is something called honeymoon phase. When a person gets a diabetes, a type 2 diabetes, many a times person undergoes a phase called honeymoon phase. Okay, what is this honeymoon phase basically? So what is this honeymoon phase is nothing but it's basically the individual who has got first time diabetes. They feel that it's something which is called it's by mistake I have got this. It will get cured and it will go away. So these kind of honeymoon phase can stay with the person when they first come to know. When they first come to know that they've got diabetes. So many times this honeymoon phase can stay up to 2 years with that person. Okay, so this happens a lot of times, many a times with some of the people. So this is something which you may have heard about honeymoon phase in diabetes people or diabetes patients. But then whoever is new to know that it's diabetes, so they might get this kind of a honeymoon phase. But the most important part here, now what you need to understand, you need to think one thing, that there is definitely no cure. There is no cure. Diabetes cannot be cured. Okay, but let me correct you. Diabetes can be reversed. Okay, so diabetes is a chronic disease with no cure. However, the condition can be managed and other complications in our body. Now, all those complications can be of a lot of different types. There can be a complication of amputation or a foot fungal infection. From that to a kidney failure to heart failure or a stroke or anything kind of, all those problems can happen. So this is one important thing which can be managed, and diabetes can be reversed. And how it can be reversed, this is my last slide for you all. What I would like to tell you is, diabetes can be managed really well. And diabetes is one thing which can be managed with my 4 tips, which I always give to people, is with these 4 tips. First tip which I tell them is eat healthy. Now, as I told you in Maslow's hierarchy needs, which we had, the first important basic thing which we had was food. Okay. Now, food and water and rest. Give that proper food, water, and rest to your body. Because what happens in many a times in our daily life is we are overeating or undereating. We are not having a proper balanced diet. What does balanced diet means? Sometimes, many a times we think that कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट निकाल दो खाने में से, आपको पतला होना है एंड यू वांट टू लूज वेट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट निकाल दो खाने से. ऐसा नहीं है दोस्तों. कार्बोहाइड्रेट अगर आप निकाल दोगे तो फिर दूसरी चीजों से क्या लोगे आप? Carbohydrate is one of the energy source which is required to your body. Now there has to be a proper balance of each macronutrients and micronutrients. So now if I talk to you about macro and micro and all these nutrients, there's a lot of another class has to be taken for that. So but then I would like to say one important thing to you all, that your food intake has to be in a very balanced diet way, and हम लोग का macro micronutrients सब कुछ balance होना चाहिए. Okay, daily need का जो requirement है वही होना चाहिए, उससे ज्यादा नहीं, उससे कम भी नहीं. But now you need to understand, if a person is already diabetes, they have diabetes, type 2 diabetes, they need to eat little lesser than what they were eating before. Okay, now there has to be a very important a very thin line. आपको ये देखना जरूरी है कि आप कितना खा रहे थे पहले और कितना खाना चाहिए आपको, आपकी नीड कितनी है और अभी कितनी करनी पड़ेगी, वो आपका अंडरलाइन होना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so that is something which you have to take care for the diabetic people. The second thing, important thing is exercise. एक्सरसाइज में मैं, आप दुनिया भर का कोई भी एक्सरसाइज आपको पसंद है आप करो, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट वन सिंपल एक्सरसाइज व्हिच यू कैन डू इज 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes of daily walking. So this is one thing which you can do on a daily basis. Exercise has to be done. Now once you start your 45 minutes of your daily walking, you will start losing weight as well, because you have started eating balanced diet, eating healthy. That is very important. Exercising, then you start losing weight as well. When you are having a proper diet and exercise, you start losing weight. Now your focus goes on the losing weight. Okay, once you start focusing on your balanced diet and your exercising, you automatically start losing weight. Now third and the fourth thing, now fourth thing is the intermittent fasting. Now many a times हम लोग ये बोलते हैं यार diabetic person fast कर सकता है क्या? How is it possible? Oh my God, that's a big thing, right? But then, friends, I think you would be amazed that there is a definitely intermittent fasting helps the diabetic people. There are a lot of articles, a lot of papers which are published. They have seen that a proper intermittent fasting on a they are doing it continuously with their body. 8 hours gap or 6 hours gap, or maybe 10 hours gap, 12 hours gap, on a frequent, automatically they have planned their body for alternate days or alternate weeks like that. That also helps a lot. So these are few things, few tips which you can utilize for the diabetes, type 2 diabetic people. So I think I hope I could do justice in a very short span of time. So this much I wanted to tell you, and thank you so much. So that's all about my presentation for today. Yeah.
So what is intermittent fasting? What do you mean by it?
Can I know whom am I talking to? Yeah, I can hear that, but then Abu Fazal, right? Okay, so so this intermittent fasting is nothing but as I told you, an alternative days or alternate days or a week you can fast for that particular period. So you can fix your time. It can be 8 hours fasting, 10 hours fasting, like that. So depending on your how much you're able to take it. Okay. So how much you're able to take it, you will understand, you will know yourself that this is the time which I can take a fasting. Okay. So you will know either 6 hours or 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours, or even if it is 14 hours, if you want to increase more, that's up to you. So I can with my body, I can say that I can go up to 12 to 14 hours. Okay. So that's a kind of a intermittent fasting. We can do it on a alternate weeks or days or like that, or maybe monthly basis. You want to keep 4 days in a month or 5 days in a month, you can keep like that. So this meeting will get over in 6 minutes time now. So if you have questions, please you can come online, show me your face. I would really like to interact directly with you.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Ripon Saha.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir,
Yeah.
good evening, sir. Actually, what type of walk? You told that, sir, exercise is necessary.
Mhm.
Basically, walking. Mainly walking. Sir, what type of walk we should to take? I mean, what type of walk
Good
is,
question.
sir?
Very good question. So basically, you can do fast walking or a brisk walking. Don't go for a slow walking. Okay. So the major thing, what has to happen is your body has to get sweat out. You have to sweat. Okay. So you have to do fast walking or brisk walking. So start slowly with like first 2 minutes. Start slowly, go with the normal pace, and then start according to your need. Either you can do brisk walking or you can increase your walking speed.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let me. If people are not having questions, let me give you my own story. Um when I, yeah, yes, yes, you can unmute yourself and
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
yeah. Good evening, Divya.
Sir, I just a query, sir, regarding steroid or glucocorticoid induced diabetes without prior history of diabetes mellitus, sir.
Uh-huh.
How it is possible, sir?
Uh, uh, Repeat your question again.
Sir, I just a query regarding, sir, steroid induced
Uh-huh.
diabetes without prior history of diabetes mellitus.
Okay.
Sir, how it is possible, sir? If already I got a patient, he was actually suffering from COVID-19, and during the treatment, during the COVID treatment, due to his respiratory problem, he has already taken the steroid.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
After COVID, post-COVID weakness, after a week, then he went to the laboratory for CT scan, and with other investigations that he has shown that the pneumonia in the CT scan shows and the high blood sugar without prior history of diabetes mellitus.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sir, how it
So good question. Very good question. Division, see, you know the pregnant women get gestational diabetes.
Yes, sir. I know.
How does it happen? Your answer is in your question only.
Okay. Actually, he was a male patient, sir.
So I mean, it's okay. So the hormonal imbalance which is happening in the body, that's making it happen.
Okay.
So there is a hormonal imbalance. So that's the So our body is definitely it's all made up of hormones and all that macro, micro, and all that stuff which is required in our body. So if there is a slightest of the slightest, there is a change in our body, it can definitely show it in a lot of things. So that may be the case. So my understanding of the person getting that diabetes is because of steroids, is because of the hormonal imbalance which has happened.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
My pleasure. Okay, I think another 2 minutes of time we have. The meeting might get over. Okay, guys, as I was telling that, let me share my own story. 3 years back, I was diagnosed diabetic, and I was very shocked because in my family, entire family, was no history of diabetes. uh, I was really shocked, and I was thinking that how can I get a healthy person who's having a healthy lifestyle, and I don't drink, I don't booze, I don't smoke, I don't have any bad habits. So how can I get diabetes? I was shocked. But then many a times when you see back, there are few things which can happen, either because of the environmental change or either because of something else. So these are things which can happen in your life. So just because of my lifestyle changed, I did whatever I told you, whatever the tips I gave you, I did all those things, and I could reverse my diabetes. So that's my story.
Sir, what is your views about herbal medicine in diabetes mellitus too, sir? Herbal medicines.
Thank you for asking this question. I am a fan
Yes.
of herbal medicine. I'm a fan of herbal medicine. I myself, I
Yes.
use a lot of herbal medicines. I use it.
Yes.
So it helps. And one more thing, let me tell you, these are not medicines. If you're using any herbal product, they are not medicines.
Yes.
Let me correct you. They are not called as medicines. Those are called as supplements. The reason because supplements, now I told you need to have a balanced diet, right? In the beginning, मैंने बोला आपको खाने में balanced diet होना चाहिए, खाने में ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, right? I told you.
Yes.
Lot of micro and macronutrients. Macron तो मिल जाता है, carbohydrate, protein, fat वगैरह सब उनको मिल जाता है. Micronutrients जो है, vitamins and minerals, we don't get it in lot of food. हमारा जो daily routine जो है, हमारा daily का जो food habit है, उसमें हमको we don't get it properly, right? So there are a lot of vitamins and minerals which we need from outside, So if you're are you using it, Hafiz? Hello, Hafiz? Hello, Hafiz, are you there?
Hello, actually I mute him because I mute all the participants. Wait, I'll ask to
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hafiz, tell me what your question was really, made me happy and get my smile on my face at this time. Why
Yes,
was
sir.
that question? Why was that question?
Sir, some patient willingly ask about
Okay.
sir herbal medicine.
Yeah.
Sir, now sir Himalaya Pharma, सर गिलोय कहते हैं इसको, गिलोय, उसके
Okay.
बारे में सर आपका क्या राय है सर? गिलोय मार्केट में गुडूसी ब्रांड नाम से मिलता है सर.
Okay. I would suggest not all these products. Okay. I don't believe on all those things. I believe on some different things. Okay. So my belief is completely on neem. Neem. You have heard about neem, right?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah.
Neem.
So neem
Yes,
tree, neem plant, neem tree, right?
Yes.
I believe
Yes.
on neem oil and neem. Okay. So I take that because
Yes.
it's one of the best, you can say, herbal product which you can give to your body for managing your insulin in your body. Okay. So neem is really good. Apart from that, I would suggest you, have you heard about sea buckthorn?
Sir.
Sea buckthorn.
No, I also not yet.
Hello sir.
Okay, great. So this is one of the a very, very a good product, a great product, I can say. This is a berry. It's a berry plant, which you find it in Ladakh and Leh Ladakh, all these hilly regions only, in cold climate, coldest of the coldest climates. Okay, you find this plant called sea buckthorn. It's a plant name. I'm talking about a plant name. And this plant, sea buckthorn, has orange color berries. Okay, these orange color berries, no, it is very, very, very rich in three micronutrients. What are those micronutrients which are there in that sea buckthorn? Is vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. Apart from that, it has a lot of antioxidant properties.
Yes.
Now imagine you have everything. It's like a supplement ka bhandar. Supplement ka bhandara hai wo. Okay. So everything you get in one thing. So that's the beauty of that supplement. And if you get to use that, you can have sea buckthorn as one of the supplement for insulin. I mean diabetes patients. So that helps in regulating insulin as well. It's a so good product.
Thank
I
you.
hope
Sir.
it was something new for you to hear today.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hafiz.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Hafiz.
Thank you.